Let me show you how to make this creamy ranch shrimp mushroom pasta using sandwich goat seasoning. You want to finely chop 2 shallots. You want to cube up some shiitake mushroom, finely chop some parsley. Now we want to brown those mushrooms. We want to make sure we get a deep umami mushroom flavor into the dish. So we're going to stir them, brown them again. Now we're going to add in the shallots until those are translucent. I want to really compact this ranch flavor. So I'm going to add it to the veggies and saute that, set it to the side. Now season your pasta water, y'all, until it tastes like seawater, and add some good Italian pasta with that durum wheat. Now we want to add some all-purpose seasoning and some ranch seasoning from Sandwich Goat Seasoning into this. And that ranch has something in it, y'all, that makes this crust on this shrimp amazing, for real. So fry those real quick. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. Now grab that mushroom pan, add your noodles, a cup of pasta water, some heavy cream, some Parmesan, the shrimp, stir it till it's incorporated, sprinkle some more of that ranch seasoning on top, a good amount of black pepper, some lemon zest, a knob of some good butter, like some good butter. Turn the fire off, stir it till it's incorporated. And man, when I tell you that this dish is crazy, I couldn't believe it.